Save and autosave. Let's look at how you can save your work within the editor. To manage your saving preferences, use the disk icon found in the quick taskbar. Click the arrow next to the disk to open the Autosave Preference menu. Here, you can enable or disable the autosave function as well as set the time intervals. By default, the autosave function is enabled. To disable autosave, simply click on the green check mark. This will toggle the functionality to off and you will see it written in the context menu. Clicking the gray check mark will toggle it back on. When enabled, you can set the intervals at which your work will be saved. By default, it's set to 5 seconds. This is the minimum time setting available. You can change the interval at which your document will be saved either by clicking on the plus or minus signs or by typing the number manually. Changes you make here will take immediate effect and be saved for future sessions. It is important to remember, should you disable the autosave function, it will remain so until you manually enable it again. If you choose to manually save your progress, you can do so by simply clicking on the disk icon. You will then see a notification pop up in the top right corner telling you how many segments have been saved. You can also assign the save function a shortcut. We will learn more about how to do that later.